Hello everybody and welcome back to Casual Reptiles. Today we are unboxing Springtail starter cultures from dubois.com. I will put that link in the description. I wanted to do a planted bioactive enclosure for my snake, and these little dudes will help that be completed. The whole point is they will live underneath in the substrate and also on top, and they will break down everything that is not too good or that is dying off. So dead plant leaves and poop and stuff like that. So it took me a minute. I looked around trying to find some places that would ship some to me, and I found this site. It was actually rather cheap for this whole setup. I'll try to get that price for you and also put it in the description with the link. But I wanted to unbox and show you guys, let you see what's up. Maybe you guys could check them out and come back and let me know your opinions of them. But without further ado, I'm just going to go ahead and open this, and then we'll go in there and we'll dump them in my snake tank. So there they are, all wiggling around. That in the middle is their food. Now, this is a starter culture, so I'm actually just gonna take some of these and dump them in the tank and let them go. And then hopefully I'm gonna keep this culture going to create more. And as most of you know, this is my snake tank, and I got some live plants in there. I got some planted. It's going to take a while, but that's part of the reason I wanted these Springtail cultures, is to help, maintain dead plants and snake poop and stuff like that. Alright everybody, as I showed you, see all these little dudes crawling around and stuff like that. I'm going to try to keep this culture going, but I'm going to try to get some of them in there now. Now, if you look up other videos on here, they use charcoal, wood blocks, and stuff like that, and it makes it a lot easier to transfer. I might try to use some lava rock eventually, but for now, I'm simply just going to try to tap some of these in here so that they can get in the aquarium. And they're gonna be very hard to see, but most of those made it inside of this tank. And now they will find their way to the bottom of the substrate, start eating on dead shed and plants and snake poop. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, stay casual.